Question 8. A triangular lawn is modelled by the triangle ABC. The length AB is to be 30 metres long. Given that angle BAC is 70 degrees and angle ABC is 60 degrees, calculate the area of the lawn to three significant figures. Well, to find the area of this lawn, I'm going to use a half BC sine A. But I can't do that straight away because I only know one side at the moment. So I need to find another side using sine rule. And I can't do that until I know the other angle. So let's start by saying angle ACB is equal to 180 minus the sum of the other two angles. And 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. So angle C is 50 degrees. Now I'm now going to call this side AC little b, because it's opposite angle B. And I can use the sine rule to find that side. And rather than work on the lined paper further down, I'll work up the top of the page where we can still see the diagram. So I can say sine rule B over sine 60 is equal to 30 over sine 50. Which means that B is equal to 30 over sine 50 multiplied by sine 60. And if we put that in the calculator, we find B is equal to 33.9 meters. So now that I know two sides of the triangle and the angle in between them is 70 degrees, I can use the fact that the area is equal to a half BC sine A, which is equal to a half multiplied by 33.9 multiplied by 30 multiplied by sine 70 degrees. And if we put that in the calculator, we get 477.8 meters squared. And to three significant figures, that's 478 meters squared. The second part of the question, for 1 mark, says, why is your answer unlikely to be accurate to the nearest square metre? Well, if it was accurate to the nearest square metre, it's accurate to three significant figures. But the figures we've been given in the question weren't given to three significant figures. 30 metres is to two significant figures, and the 70 and 60 degree angles are to two significant figures. So we can say for this, angles and side given to only two sig fig. So that's why it's unrealistic to expect your answer to be correct to three significant figures, or the nearest metre squared.